Well, once again, I mean, it's an excellent conference. You get representatives from all sectors of the industry here, from far and wide. And the discussions are really, really excellent in terms of, discussing the key topics that matters to carriers in the industry today. In particular, things like how do you meet the challenge of relentlessly increasing capacity demand, but at the same time meet the challenge of driving carrier profitability, and to do that by basically lowering the cost per bit. Basically, carriers have two options when it comes to upgrading their network to deliver more capacity. The first is effectively to upgrade their existing network to higher data rates, and the second is to put in more fibre via new cable overlay. In terms of system upgrades, the key thing is when you go from a 10G to a 100G network, basically it is typically more cost effective to do a system upgrade than it is to do a fibre overlay. But what is very interesting is that when you move to a scenario where you have already got 100G on your existing network and you need to upgrade that to a 400G dual carrier super channel in order to get additional capacity, actually it can be way more effective to actually put in a new cable overlay than to do the system upgrade to 400G. So this is a real paradigm shift in the way that carriers can look at their networks today. What they really need to consider is actually not just putting in legacy fibre, but putting in advanced fibre. So for example, they could put in advanced G.652 ultra-low loss fibre like Corning's SMF28 ULL. And this fibre is not only backwards compatible with the network they have already, the G.652 installed base, but it will give them quite significant additional performance margins, which can eliminate amplifiers and regenerators from their network, and therefore enable lowest cost per bit operation at 100G, 200G, 400G and beyond.